Yo, what is up, guys? Serg exclusive here. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you guys could actually make money on YouTube, even if you guys are not monetized, even if you guys want to start earning right when you guys start uploading your videos and stuff like that. So before we get started with this video, hit that like button, also hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys could be notified when I upload my next video. And I'm still doing the every single day challenge until I reach 10k subscribers. So if you guys want to help me out, hit that subscribe button. So yeah, and also I do have a free affiliate marketing course if you guys want to take advantage of that. The link is down below, and all you guys got to do is enter your email and create an account, and that's basically it. A lot of people actually ask me this question: how do you guys actually make money without even being monetized on YouTube and start making money just like that? The thing you guys can actually do to make money on YouTube is actually do affiliate marketing. Alright, if you guys want to start promoting products that you guys already own, go for it. Stuff like that you guys already are doing it, just go for it. Whatever you guys are into, whatever you guys actually want to do, just go for it and promote products related to that niche or whatever you guys do. Like I'm a big nerd. I feel like I'm a big nerd. So if you guys are into like movies, comic book stuff, I'm pretty sure that they have affiliated programs for like Marvel Unlimited, stuff like that, for you guys to actually promote them and actually get recurring commissions every single day, no matter who subscribes on it. And I'm pretty sure they do have an affiliated program. Okay. A lot of places actually have affiliated programs and stuff like that, where you guys can actually start earning commissions just like that. If you guys are into tech, you guys can start promoting tech and just do voiceovers around tech. If you guys are not into showing your face, but so there's a lot of people that don't even show their face as often or not at all. I could tell you that. I could even show you a video where this guy does not show his face whatsoever, and he just shows clips and stuff like that. So let me go to his YouTube channel so I could show you guys how he does it, and you guys could just model the same exact thing but just promoting products. Okay. This guy, Emergency Awesome, I follow him for his nerdy stuff. Because I feel like I'm a big nerd, so I follow all this comic book stuff. The new Spider-Man home trailer just came out and stuff like that. But he doesn't even show his face. He just does clips. As you can see, I'm gonna keep going. This is just a trailer for right now. Okay, and he's just talking over basically. I'm gonna show you a little glimpse and stuff like that. He just basically that's all he does. He just does voiceovers, and that's it. As you can see, these clips right here, all he does is voiceovers about the clips and stuff like that. And most of his videos are actually like that. He does show sometimes his face, but sometimes he doesn't. He just easily does the voiceovers and just records simple like that. Alright, you guys could even do it website. And most of these are actually just voiceovers of them creating a website, a digital product, and that's basically what you guys could do. And I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can actually what products you guys should, or what affiliated programs you guys could actually go into. One, if you guys are into physical products, like I said, all you guys got to do is go to Amazon Associates, because I feel like that's, especially if you guys are a beginner, that's one of the best ones to start off, because you guys do not need a website to start off. You guys just basically need a YouTube channel and 180 days to make sure you guys have 3 sales, and that's pretty much it. And the other one that you guys could do is just look up on Google and see best affiliate programs of 2020, or recurring affiliated programs. So that's what you guys can actually just start doing, and they're gonna show you what is the best affiliated recurring commissions, and especially high paying for beginners. If you guys are into digital products and want to get into digital products and see what type of other digital products to do, you guys can even test them out yourself before even promoting it and stuff like that. So that's what you guys can actually do to start making money with YouTube without being monetized. I'm still not monetized, and I'm still making money off YouTube. I'm as you can see here that I I got hold on. I got 93 subscribers right now. 93 subscribers, and I'm still not monetized. And as you can tell, that you need 1,000 subscribers. So I'm not lying to you guys. As you guys want to see my YouTube studio, I'll show you guys my YouTube studio real quick, so I could show you guys that I'm still not monetized, but I'm still making money and stuff like that. Okay. Uh, let's go to monetize. All right. As you can see here, it says grow with YouTube. I'm still 93, 92 public watch. I'm still not monetized. As you can see, I'll be able to earn videos, and until I get 4,000 required and 1,000 required subscribers and watch hours for 4,000 watch hours required. And I'm still not monetized and stuff like that, but I'm still making money with YouTube. Just promoting products or just even talking about you guys. Right now I'm trying to get monetized and stuff like that, so I'm not really promoting anything, as you can see. But and you could even go to my YouTube channel, and I do have other videos on how I did it before. About tech stuff. I did get a little bit of commissions out of that when I was promoting, headphones and stuff like that, and also doing, also doing all this digital products, like how to create a website, how to create a e-commerce store and stuff like that. So that's basically what I started doing, and started earning commissions that way. So you guys could do it the same way how I started and stuff like that. Just look up on the best recurring affiliate programs. Look and go to Amazon Associates for physical products. And like I said, you guys can promote anything you guys have. This camera, this mic right here that I have right here, the laptop, whatever you guys want or could think of, you guys could honestly look it up on Amazon Associates, or any digital products that you guys are into. You get like MVP, VPNs, stuff like that. Whatever digital products you guys are into, I feel like digital products are more, they pay more, which it's true, because they don't have to worry about the camera physical abilities and stuff like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, hit the like button. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell. But yeah, if this video helped you guys out, that's how you guys can actually start making money without getting monetized. So you guys could keep the ball rolling and stuff like that. Keep doing you. And yeah, guys, and that's pretty much it for this video. So again, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell. And if you guys do want to know a step-by-step guide, I do have my free YouTube, my free affiliate marketing program. If you guys want to get into, the link is down below. All you got to do is put your email, and then it's gonna send you to create a free account, and that's it. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. So if you guys, so yeah, guys, that's pretty much it, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.